Hey everybody, it's me Valeria, and I am super excited because I just started packing for my New York trip, and I am taking you guys with me starting today. I just finished planning and coordinating all my outfits, and this is what I have so far. Being there 4 nights and 5 days in total, so and I just looked at the weather and it's gonna be pretty not it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be like 70s, 80s ish, so it's not gonna be super cold. So I'm only taking like two like jackets, like this really cool black kind of warm little jacket that I can wear. Can't really see it. And then I just brought like my basic denim jacket that it can like go along with a lot of outfits. So the first outfit, this is the day we're gonna get to New York. So I'm probably gonna change like either at the airport or at the hotel lobby because I don't think we're gonna be able to check into our rooms yet. So I'm just gonna wear this really cool pink like tank top and some really cool, these are really cool pants because I think that night we're gonna be at Times Square, so I think this is gonna be a really cool outfit just to like show off and like all the cool colors. And then for day two, that's the day I think we're going to the Met, so I really wanted to get something really like flowy and something cool. So I have this little cool jumpsuit and it's like long and I really like it, but I'm still not sure if I'm gonna wear this one or this really cool floral romper, sorry. So this is what the romper jumpsuit looks like. So it's like really long. This is what the floral jumpsuit looks like. Romper, sorry. So yeah, I'm still not sure. I really like them both. I'm just not sure because I don't know. I just feel like with that one, I'm gonna be hot. So I don't know. I feel like this is a little bit more. I can be more cooler with this one. And then the third day is gonna be a little bit cooler. It's gonna be like in around 60s, low 60, mid 60s. So I'm just gonna be wearing jeans, just dress jeans, and this cool little top with it. And I'm probably gonna wear this black one on top of it just so I can be warm. And then on the fourth day, I think we're gonna go to the Brooklyn Bridge. So I wanted something super like fashionable and like something really out there. So I'm wearing this cool skirt that I found at Buffalo Exchange. I really love it. And I'm gonna pair it with just this black tank top and this bralette. It's really cool. I think it's gonna really stand out with the pattern that it has. So yeah, and then the last day, I'm gonna wear this cool plaid skirt that I have, and this just like graphic tee that I have. I think it's gonna look super awesome. So yeah, those are my outfits, and then the airport outfit for when we leave, it's just gonna be like a basic tee and some leggings. So we're planning on going out. We're still not sure if we're gonna go out like all 4 nights, but my friends just had to take 4 outfits just in case we do. I'm kinda not feeling going out like every single day just because like I know our days are gonna be super long. We're gonna wake up early and we're gonna be like walking around all day and just running around and doing a lot of busy stuff. So I don't know, I definitely want to do at least 2 days. I'm just not the type of girl that goes out like every single like weekend. So I don't know, it depends on how I feel, but I definitely do want to go look at the nightlife over there and go to the clubs and dance and stuff. I really want to see like all the differences between like the clubs here in Austin and clubs over there in New York. So yeah, my first outfit, I just bought this today at Urban Outfitters. It was only $10 and I really like it. It's like this cool little black dress, leather black dress, and I really like it. I just hope I won't get hot in this because that's gonna get pretty hot. And then this outfit, which is just like a black skirt and this really cool cheetah leopard, I have no idea, kind of like tube top, but it's actually a romper, but I'm gonna wear it as a tube top. I'm gonna tuck it in just because like it's super short and I just don't like how it fits like by itself. The third outfit, sorry, is like this cool crop top paired with this really cool skirt. This is the one that I also bought today at Urban Outfitters. It was also $10 and I really like it. And lastly, I found this really cool sequin dress and I really love it. I've worn it before and I love how it fits. It's not tight at all. I don't like how tightness, so yeah. And then I'm taking 2 shorts just in case, because I know we might go to Luna Park on the last day, so I might just change because I don't know, we might like sit by the beach or like do stuff like that. But yeah, I have yet to put it all in my luggage. So these are like the shoes I'm planning to wear. Some sandals, those blue brown sandals I'm probably gonna wear for like a lot of the outfits just because like it matches with everything. And then those blue ones I might wear with like my airport outfit and my kind of like with jeans. And the booties and these black heels I'll probably wear with when I go out, and then these I might wear with like when I go to Times Square or the Met. So yeah, and then those I'm probably gonna take for like lounging around, and my sandals for when I take a shower. So yeah, I just need to put everything together in my luggage. Hopefully it all fits. I still need to get together like all my toiletries, my shampoos, my shaving cream, everything, and my straightener and curler I'm for sure gonna take. And I think that's pretty much it. That everything that has to like be in the suitcase. So because apparently we're leaving tomorrow morning. I am still not sure. My friends haven't texted me yet about the time we're leaving, that we were leaving a little bit later. So I am kind of freaking out because I still need to do everything like by tonight, and I still need to do some last minute things around my apartment, like take out the trash and like clean around because I'm going to be gone for a week. Need to throw away some like the stuff that's gonna go bad, like bread and like milk and all that stuff. So yeah. Oh, I still need to pack my makeup too. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon, right now. Hello, I'm back and I just finally finished packing for my trip. So here's the end, or the final thing. So I have all of my stuff here, and I'm not gonna go over everything because like I put everything together. So, and over here I just have like my curling irons, my straighteners, my makeup bag, some jewelry, my creams, and then all my toiletry stuff is in the bag. And then these are the shoes I'm gonna wear tomorrow, and then the sandals I'm gonna for when I take a shower in the morning. And I'm taking this little black little backpack thingy as like my carry-on. I don't know, it's really small, so I just have like some stuff here. I have some lipsticks that I'm gonna take, a little notebook, and the book that I'm gonna read. And then I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna put like all my clothes in here that I'm gonna change into here. Hopefully it all fits. yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I am really surprised I got it done really quick. I hope I don't forget anything. Right now I'm just gonna hopefully edit this vlog and do my nails for tomorrow, and I'm going to clear my memory for my phone just because like I have a lot of concert videos and like a lot of apps that take up storage, so I'm gonna do that and then hopefully go to sleep by like 12ish so I can get a good night's sleep. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous though. Like, I don't know why. Like, every time I like go on a trip, I kind of get a little bit nervous. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's always fun either way. Just like the whole like airport stuff and like, yeah. I'm gonna do my nails. So yeah, I really hope I can continue vlogging. I for sure want to do it. It's just like I'm like a beginner at everything, so like I'm always scared to like do it in public, and like I don't know what some people are gonna think. They're gonna look like give me weird looks or like just like make fun of me. I don't know. But yeah, I really want to get some good footage of like all the places I'm going to, even if it's not like a vlog. I just like want to make like a montage of like everything. So yeah, hopefully, I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow just because like I'm gonna be on the road to Denton, and Thursday, for sure Thursday, like by the time we land, I'll do some vlogs. But yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Bye.